Make una good afternoon o. We come from Lagos University Teaching Hospital. We come give una good news. Good news wey we bring come be say if you see children wey dem born wey e be like say the nose from nose reach lip wey be say e look like say e cut for one side abi for two side like this, abeg make if you see dem make you no throw these children away. No call dem ogbanje, no call dem bad children, no say na dem be gods. Make you bring dem come Lagos University Teaching Hospital for Ijearaba. Phone number dey here for all the paper wey we just distribute. Call out any of the number. Or if you see pikin wey dem born, when dem dey feed the pikin, e be like the food dey come out from the nose. If you check the mouth, we come see say for the roof of the mouth, say the thing come open like this one, where I dey touch so. If you see this kind thing, dem fit repair am and you go do am for free for Lagos University Teaching Hospital Ijearaba. Na free dem go do am for you. If you see this kind children, make you call this phone number wey dey for there. The phone number also dey for paper wey we don give you. If you no fit find your way come loose, go General Hospital Badagry for here. Go General Hospital Badagry for here. Social and Welfare Department. Dem go help you, contact us. Everything you go do na free. Nobody go collect money for your hand. Nobody dey collect your money for your hand. No kobo. Everything na free. Dem go do the surgery, take care of the child. You no go even know say the child don get that kind thing before. If you get any question, abeg make you come ask us now. If you see these children, don't throw them away o. When you get belle, make you dey chop good food. Cook ewedu, chop ham, eat good food. No dey chop anyhow food. People go get belle, they go dey take, they go dey smoke igbo, they go dey drink alcohol. All this kind thing fit cause am. Make una take care of una self when una get belle. No be say the child na ogbanje. E fit happen to anybody. Anybody fit born this kind child. No be say because you no get money, abi because something happen, abi na because of ogbanje, abi na because you work for sun, abi you work for night. No be like that o. If you see this kind children, make you call this phone number. You fit